So we are now going to start this live session a little early. As I was not here yesterday, we will trade a little longer binary option today. Also, make sure you join my Discord. You find it pinned in the chat, or you find it in the first link below the video. Also, if you want to copy what I'm doing in this video, make sure you use the link you find below the video. I will post it a little later in the chat. Okay, if you see this as a recording, you will might probably not see the chat. I will now just prepare everything so we can go live. Like I said, we are going early on today. So just bear with me while I set up everything so we can get started. Let's see. There. We will need to log in to the platform. There. And as always, I do have an extra computer on so I can see the chat while we are trading. Now let me see. So today we will trade a little longer just to compensate for yesterday. I was on the hospital with my dog. He was taking many tests yesterday. The poor dog have cancer, so it's a lot of things to do there. Well, let's see. I will now see if I can get some more people into this stream. Now let's see. Just bear with me while I do everything here now. Also, I'm planning to start trading on other brokers live. So we will look into that. There. Okay. The reason I'm a little more unorganized when I start here now is because typically I wait more 10 minutes at least before I go live, so it's a little things, organizing things I need to do. We are now live trading options here. Let's post it a few places. Okay. Okay. Good morning, Robert. Now let me see. Is everything is in order? I believe it is. Just bear with me. I will need to go and get a coffee. I feel quite tired. Just wait till the coffee is done. Oh, that's it. Let's open this one first. This will actually be my first trades for this week. I did not trade at all yesterday. Let's change to 100. Okay, oh, my coffee's done again. Oppa. There, okay. My trades, let's put them below. No. There, okay. Then we can start. Let's see if we can find something. So for this pair, I don't see nothing right now. No. Nope. Let me see. Nope. Up here we probably have something. Let's take a look. Will be decided when you put the line. If this can cover this bar here now. Let's see if we can move it a little more up. Let's zoom in. I will accept it. I will accept it. But I think I will need to have one test of the line before we start trading on it. So my plan going forward, I will start to give some more signals at Discord. There will be a little different than what we had done before. And there was someone here telling about the delay here at YouTube. Yes, I'm aware of delay here at YouTube. Thankfully, we don't have a delay when we trade on Discord. I trade right now. I trade once a week there, Saturdays. But my plan is to move everything over to Discord. But currently, I can't do that because we still get more people in YouTube. So when I start to feel that I have enough people coming from YouTube over there, then we'll move everything over to Discord. But in Discord, I'm planning now to start to give signals. Yes, and for the other thing, the delay here at YouTube is actually not an issue. It's not like when I push the down button that you are supposed to push the down button. It's not that way that it works. You see it, for example, now when I put a line here now, this is can be for this broker and other brokers, whatever broker, whatever what you're doing. When you see I have a line here, you see the number out here, you just put your line at the same pair, the same everything like I have. So when you see your own bar come up into the line, that's the time you're going to push down. You're not going to wait till I push down. You're not going to wait till I push up. You're going to wait. I will always explain, like here, for example, now we only take a trade if this bar here turn green and start to go up and come into this line, then you push down. You never push down when you see I push down, because then of course then will always be maybe if I lose you might win and vice versa, right? So that will not help you out anything. So when you see you're trading with me, So like I said now, when you see this line I put up here now, you see the number here in the right side here. Or if you don't see this clearly, you see how I did put it up at least with these 3 bars here. Of course we need one more test. So then I was told now that you're not trading when you come up to this line now. Now you're waiting for a retest of this line. And if you get a retest, I'm here, I'll always tell, okay, no, we can trade, no, it's activated. Then we trade when a green bar come up and come into the line, you push down. Never wait to see that I push the down button. Of course, in Discord it will be a little different. There things are more without delay, so it's much better for everyone. Okay? So I hope we made that part clear, because I did see someone was writing in the chat before we did go live about it, and basically it's that simple. So I hope that did clear up the things. Now let's see if we can find something new. I think we just push shares, then we can keep this one open. Very quiet in the chat today. Maybe because I'm early. Still, it's typically 5 minutes before I normally start. So this was just to get us jumping start today, as I was sleeping long yesterday. It's the first time, to be quite frankly, it's the first time I've slept long since I was 18 years old. Then I remember I did sleep long from work I had that time. First time. Since then I never slept long, so I guess it was needed. So that's why you will never see it happening again, because it's basically think a little, 27 years ago. Also, then you can guess I'm not a young person more either. So yes, 27 years ago since I did sleep long at the work. So only happened once. So I'm quite good to come into the correct time, as you might have seen. What happened, Robert? I never heard about anyone got their account suspended. I had the account with them for I guess 3 years now, trading super hard with them for 2 years. I even last year did a withdraw of 100,000 that I did put into Forex after. So yeah, but I have done the same, Robert. If you see my old robot videos for Binbot Pro, I did take my account to 100,000 also. That did take me around 3-4 months. I'm not so fast as you, but that was fast also. So never heard about that. And I did even withdraw all the money. I think I kept like $1,000 or something. Yeah, but that should not be our issue. Very strange. But yes, build account from $60 to 106,000. That is crazy. But again, that should not be an issue. That should be a plus that people are active. Okay. Yeah. No, I have not read about. I don't have that issue, as you see, because I trade very slow. So I don't know what they have their rules about these type of things. But yeah, I have never had, like I said, I've been trading with them now for 3 years, 2 years with the bigger money, and never had these type of issues. But if we see it's a huge issue, you can, of course, we can start to jump over a little more to pocket option, so we trade there instead. because there I think will be no issue. There also I have done the same. I did build with robot up quite a lot, and I always have withdraw. So, but personally, I have never had issue to withdraw nothing. Both basically are the same fast, Pocket Option and IQ Sense. Both of them I have withdraw super fast with no problems. That's why I'm using these two brokers for, because for me the most important is that what you earn, that you can get paid also. I had my fair share of brokers in the past that have been difficult, but these two have been easy for me. Sure, after the session, Robert, I will send a message to my manager. I have a stupid neighbor with a dog barking now 8:30 in the morning. That's so unrespectful. Have them out in the doorway here now. You don't do that. Okay, let's move on. Good morning, Kyle. Yes, Tim, I did very good there. And they also were good to pay. Only reason I did move away from Deriv that they have a very terrible affiliate income, because my goal is that it's fun and all to build up my accounts myself, but I can actually do it without YouTube. I don't need to have someone looking me while I do it. So I also want to have a good affiliate income, and Deriv they give basically pennies. For this, I did from $100 to 100,000 with the bots I made there. Made basically, I had a lot of people joining me. It was actually a lot of people made a lot of money there. I remember also from Sweden, he did in one day he built himself. I think he did deposit like $20, something stupid, and he built up to like 5,000. It was super fast. Many made good money there, but the problem is that I made nothing. I think I made like $100 something from all the affiliates I had. They have a very bad affiliate system. Of course, when I set up affiliate systems, I put at the success of people. So in that way, Robert, I guess I did make a little with you at least there, because I make with not with what you make, not about what you lose, but for each trade you do, I make a tiny percent. So nothing crazy, but that's how I set up always my affiliate income. People with YouTubers and things like this, they typically set up, they make money when you lose. So that is not what I like to do, because make no zero sense for me, because I want people to succeed. These numbers I have not seen, Robert, since I was like a team says here on Deriv, there we did see these type of numbers, because there I did scale up. There we did quite big numbers. I think my biggest session I had in Deriv, how much was it, Tim, if you remember? I think I had $10,000 or $20,000 in a session there. Different times. But yes, but robots, robots. I don't trade more with robots, because the problem is that with bind option, I still do not have one robot that we can just turn on and forget about. I don't have that, so we need to have a robot that we can just turn on and let it be. And this I don't have, because problem I had is that I needed to run them in specific times when I did see the specific setup. and then basically was based too much on trading, so most people was actually losing money. Let's see if I have sound here. No, thought I had sound. So that was the biggest issue I had. I think it's another computer here now, let me see. There, they turn off. So it does not help to have a robot if you need to run it specific time, specific setups, because like I said, many, especially with the robots I had at Pocket Option, many was starting to lose money, and then I don't want to have it more, because much of the reason we have robots is so that it's something we can just turn on, and everyone, if I have a success with the robot, everyone can have the success. So, but it does not mean I will not come with a robot in the future, but if I come with something, it needs to be something that can emulate. So if I do good, the people that use the robot also can have the same success. If they can't, I will never release a robot. Need to be fair. That's why, for example, you see Binbot Pro, for example. That's a robot I have made a lot of money with. It's a robot that are on this server here. We are back in YouTube, Kyle, because we get a lot of new people every session when I go in. And I basically do it so we can build up our Discord, because our Discord is still too small. If I jump over and they do live sessions as the Discord right now, basically we'll get too few people and we will not grow. So we will need to combine these two for a little longer, but the end game is that everything will be done at Discord. But for now we need the YouTube in the weekdays, and Saturdays I will do at Discord. Maybe I will do even Sunday, this Sunday, let's see. But yes, and also I'm planning on Discord to start to do more sessions. So we are on more brokers and even do Forex trading. Everything is after activity. If I see good activity, I do more. And basically like this. Till now, I've been working a little slow because I talk it a lot. But we can see we have 4 here now. Basically what we are looking for is, I think this is good enough. A little far away, so we keep it for now. We can jump over to this one here, just take a look here. This one did break a little too much down, otherwise this would be a line here. But does not mean that this can't be something. No, he broke it now, so then we're done with this one. Okay, cool. Then we just continue. So yes, like I said, we always get some new people when we are live here at YouTube, so that's why you can see now in the pinned message. Basically I'm just after, so we get people into Discord. So hopefully in a couple of months we start to have so many people in Discord. And my hope then is that the people that are already in Discord, I will make some competitions later, where we will have some invite competitions where I give away funded accounts and things like that. So just so we can build up, because I don't just want a Discord account, I want the biggest Discord account for binary option. I want us to be the biggest. Like in YouTube I can never be the biggest, but in Discord I want to be the biggest. And I think we quite easily can do so. Quant, what is that? Is it a cryptocurrency? To be quite, yeah, it is. It's actually a cryptocurrency I never own myself, so actually, to be quite frankly, I have not even heard about it. But I'm not so updated with the altcoins more. Before I was very into altcoins back in, I think maybe around 6 years ago. I did trade a lot. I have robots also that trade altcoins. That's actually pretty cool. I might make some videos about that in the future, where we're trading altcoins. I do have robots there that we can share also, that I have made actually. Or when I say I have made, I had someone made it for me. I'm not so technical. I had it through my life. I had many people working for me, making things for me. Believe it or not, but I even made games in the past. I made a game, a brochure game that was more or less a copy of Need for Speed. So I have made that in the past, that I made like 8 years ago. So I've been into quite much through the years. I always had some good people in the background that have made the things for me. Because yet again, I don't know how to make games myself, but I had the vision, I had the drive to promote it after and to have someone make it for me. But yes, that was actually one of my most successful games. Now let's see. Sadly, they removed this flash. Remember back in the day when we had the brochure games and we had this flash thing? I think it was something like that it was called. And this they removed. I think it was started with Macintosh, that they removed this from their brochure. And then Google came later, and that's why all this brochure game sites started to stop working. And also it's the time when it start to be mobile games going over, taking over also, so much like that. Now let's see, I think I will give this signal up here, just so we maybe get some more people into the live session. Binary options sell, and thanks for the tip, Kyle. For Quant, need to write correct. At 107.05. Okay, we go for that one. We'll take, let me see, I'll see if I take a trade here now. Nope, let's take a screenshot. There, let's go take a text over to the side. There, okay. While we wait, I will post this as many places as I can. I'm ready to go in if we come up to this line. And if you see me looking a little to the side and pushing, it's because I'm promoting now this line, so more people have opportunity to trade. We are very close again, but I'm still not taking it. But I'm ready to go in. Long time now, we have been in a little below it. Almost out to take a trade there, but I'll not do. Now let's see. It's very decent, this line below here now, but I will wait. Let's see. I want it to a little higher. I'll zoom in to see, maybe I have the line to it. No, I don't have. It's good, or we have it. Very strange, he stopped just below it. Of course, he was away for a little while. Maybe this is the new line. Let me see. I think we take it there. I moved my line a little down, because it looks like as he was away for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes. It's not typically, that is not so long, but looks like the line was moved a little down. I did get aware of it a little late, just because I was promoting. But I guess no. Let's see. Robert, by the way, I get back to you after the session, and I will check out for you what we can do, because it's very strange. Just so we at least we know what happened. Because my account manager, at least, he is live every weekday. So he actually don't reply Saturday and Sunday, but he reply every weekday. Now let's see. We are red in the top. I think I will look for. I have not done a trade today. My God, how long have I been trading? I've been trading 32 minutes and not taken one trade yet. Shit. That is not good. We need to make some money here also. Can't just be talking. Good entry. I got lucky there. It was a little delay when I pushed the button. And now he paid only 75%. Okay, it was 95, now it's 75. Okay. Still, I will trade it because maybe not. That is a little too low, I think. But let's see if we win this one first. So we get our $75 at least. Let's see. Oh, yes, $75. Cool. I take that at least, but I will not trade more on it because it costs $75. That is too low. Let's move on here now and see if we can find something. Okay, we're getting closer down, but we need a test here now. Might even be making something new down here. And up here now. Let's take a look at this one. So we have done just one trade till now, but at least we have some profit. No. Let's check some more cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. I actually mined Bitcoin quite a lot in 2013. I think it was 2012 or 13, was one of these years. I mined it quite a lot, but I never thought it would have any value. So I don't know what, I don't remember how much I mined. Thank God I don't remember that, and I don't know, but sadly I don't know where this computer is more. Because I lived in Brazil, I moved back to Norway, and now I'm back in Brazil again, so that's But that was mined in Brazil, so I never did bring that computer back here. But thankfully I don't know how much Bitcoin that was, but yes, I had it running for a very long time. But I think then Bitcoin had a value. I think when I did mine was a value, if I don't remember completely wrong, I think it was less than $100 for Bitcoin that time. So yes, I have some history of mining also. Plus, in the channel before we did mine Chia. It was hard drive mining, was super cool in the start, was had a very high value. We made quite a lot of money in the start till Chia just basically it fall down in value. That also was super cool in the start. We could buy hard drives and we made our money back in just super short time. But at least I got a lot of hard drives from it. I don't hard drive mining more, but at least I got a lot of hard drives I can use today. So now I can store all my YouTube videos and everything. Because we see that YouTube do not like so much binary option videos. That's why they demonetized my channel. And that is also the reason I decided to move over to Discord, because we see that we never know when YouTube come with a strike that I don't want this type of videos in YouTube. So, and then of course, like always, YouTube is covered, so they go for small YouTubers like me and they let the big ones be. It's always like that. So that's why you will still see these bigger YouTubers for binary option that even don't even dare to trade live. That you will see them, their channels that will have ads and everything, because they let them be. But the small ones like me, that is actually real and trade live every single day, that is not hiding behind and edit the videos. So this is how it works these days. Actually, I think we have a new one building here. Let's get one more test here and we can see. So that's why we are also one of the reasons that we move over to Discord, not just because it's better. Only thing I don't like with Discord, every video we make there, after we're done, they are gone. They are not saved anywhere. So I think I'll do, so you can't I can't even record it. So that is a little annoying. So people that see my video there, the ones that don't come in, they can't see it later. So that's the only thing I don't like with the Discord. Like now, for example, believe it or not, but we have more people seeing my live stream after my live stream than the people that are live seeing it live. So let's see now, today, I think it's a little slow day today, maybe because I was not live yesterday. But today we have had 13 people total in this live stream, so it's very low. Typically we get close to around 60 that come in, go out, that's okay, but at least there's people coming into the live stream. So today it's a little low, but I guess it's because I was not live yesterday. And we also have not done so many trades, we have just done one trade today, so a little slow day. Now let's see if we can get a new test on here. We will trade on this green line we have now, but I'm not trading the first try, I will trade the second try. Have anyone been trading today? And if you have done so, how have you been doing today? For me it's very slow day. Very slow day. Okay, now it looks like we are up here. Let's see. Now I'm moving my line a little up again. I will take it up there now. Let's see. Says 95%, so I'll try again. Let's see. I'm ready. Got a quite okay entry there. Let's see. but it's still 75%. I don't like that. Let's win. If we win this again, at least, that means I will not trade this one more, like I said in this before. Let's see. Still need to wait our 10 seconds. Looks like I'm winning. And there, another $75. Okay, so then we are up at 150. But sadly I will not trade more on this one then, because $75, if we lose too much. We need to have at least 85, I think, for us to be trading. But at least we are up $150. We have taken 2 trades today. Let's see if we can find something better. And for everyone that is live, make sure you join that Discord. There will be a lot of giveaways going forward there. I'm doing everything I can to build up there super good. It's pinned in the chat, and if you're seeing us recording, it's below the video. Also there we're going to trade live, and I'm going to give a lot of signals there going forward. So if you really want to make money with binary option and Forex, it's the place to be. And we're not using only this broker, we're using many brokers there. So, and I'm planning to add more brokers also going forward. Every broker that I feel is good, I will add there. And I will try to trade on all of them. So, like I said, make sure you join me on Discord. Now let's see. We had something up here, but I think it's too long time ago, so we skip that. So now Brent oil. It's Brent oil, right? Yeah, oil. Yeah. Swiss. Let's check there. I think I never traded Swiss. Swiss 20. Never tried that. Let's check the UK. We have traded a lot. UK 100. But not today. United States 30. We might get something here now. Let's see. Let's make it our red line, the thickest one. Let me zoom in. It's not perfect here now. Let's see what we can do. I'll keep it as an option. It's not perfect, like I said, but this one moves quite fast. So if you get close to the line, I think I'll go for it. But for now, let's keep it like this. Let's take a look at more. USA 500 basically looks the same, so we'll take a line there also. I think actually I like this one more. Looks to be more correct. So we'll trade that one also. Let's check more. And the tech one. Tech, we see nothing. So then let's go back to these two. Let's see. Moving a little away from the line. We've now been trading for 45 minutes. Just 2 trades today. Not that many good lines to trade. Well, that's it. And I was going to say that we maybe could build something here, but it was too early. That's why we need 4 tests of the line. And up here I don't see nothing. I will continue to see if you can find something down on this of currencies. So a little slow start today, but at least we are making money. That's the most important. We maybe have something in the top here. Let's take a look. Let's make it a red line and the thickest one. I will move my line around there. Let's see. We have 1, 2, I will call this 3 and 4. So we will take trades on this line. Let's see. I'm ready to hedge out of the trade also. Now let's see. Now let's see. Let's just stay patient here now. So we have Euro against New Zealand in the top. We will take trade if we come up to this red line. And it would be nice if we had a little more activity in the chat. So we are now traded for 48 minutes. I am ready to trade a little longer today if we get a little more activity. Now let's see. I will give this signal. Binary options sell line for EUR and set them at 181 29.10. Let's take a screenshot of this. While I'm waiting for take a trade, I will post this to as many groups we can to see if we can get in some more people. We will do sell trades on the red line. There. And there. And if you want to copy what I'm doing, if you're just sitting looking, you can do so too. Just open with this link you see here. And you get 200% on your first deposit using this promo code. Now let's see, I'm ready to go down. Looks like we're going up the line now. Let's see. At least I'm ready. Little slow day, so you have just 2 trades, but at least you have 2 winners. My target in every session is $500, so let's see if you can reach that. We can still do that if you can get a few more trades on this line. Now let's see. We might also build something in the bottom here. We are not trading here yet, but I'm marking it up just so we are aware. Let's put it to a blue color. We are not trading blue colors. This just so we follow to see if he starts to make a line in the bottom here. It's a chance for it at least. So if we start to see, if we get 2 more tests of the blue, I will turn it green and we'll start trading on this line also. Now let's see. Okay. Raya, welcome to the live stream. Make sure you join us in Discord. We are building up there. We're building a nice team over there. There you'll trade on many brokers and also Forex. So if you're interested about making money online, it's the place for you. You find it pinned in the chat. And also you find the link below the video later on. Now let's see. We want to see at least 2 more tests of this blue line. Okay, he just broke it, so that we can just remove. That's why we do not trade before we get 4 tests. We always need 4 tests of a line before start trading on it. So now it's a big chance it will start to go downwards. So that means let's see if we can get some trade on this $500. No, and $30. No. So yes, like I said, today is a little slow day. Not that much have been going on. Quite little, to be quite frankly. GBP. GBP card. GBP, GPY. New Zealand dollar. I would say no. Dollar against Swedish kroner. There are very few trading opportunities here right now. Almost we had something here, but they are a little irregular. Now let's see. No. So that means we have gone through every single pair. Like I said, a little slow day. We had Quant. Quant was good, but problem with Quant. They paid only 75%. We could have, you see, it started to be a little above, but we always would have moved the line up here. But it's a little risky to trade on something that just says 95%. Let's do our reload. No, let's do like this instead. Let's see if we move it to this, and we go back to cryptocurrency and Quant. Says 95. It's so weird. Says 95, but we got only 75. Let's do a try again if we come up there. But payout says 75, says 95 here. A little strange. Maybe if I did a reload on the screen, I would probably be trading more. Robert, we need to figure out what's going on with your account. What if you have done something wrong or what it is. I will figure it out for you. Because this is you build an account from $60 to 105,000, and you did a lot of trades. You need to see what if it's something in the rules about the amount of, as you did a lot of trades at the same time. I don't know, because I don't have the issue. You see me, I did just one trade, and I keep it safe. I don't trade fast like you did. So I don't. I never had an issue. I've been trading, like I said, for 3 years on this broker. 2 last year. It's good money. We're drawing thousands every single month. I even, like I said before, I did build up with Binbot Pro. I did build up to 100,000 also, and did withdraw without no issues. So I don't know what happened for your case, but we'll figure it out. I'll get back to you after. Now let's see here. Let's see. Robert, did you test your strategy all over in Pocket Option also? So you have something you can do while we fix your issue? Because I had a quite good success there. Also a little more difficult to trade there, but you might work there also for you. Because there also I have never had any problems. Yeah, that's the thing, but you have a specific way you can trade there also. The win rate is basically the same. It's a little more difficult, but you need to find the lines, so it's a little more complicated. Yeah, that's true. That's why you see me trading most often here also, because the lines are they are beautiful. It's very easy to trade here, like you see here on Quant. Now today there were not any beautiful trade lines on any of the other, but on Quant we have a good old nice line. Sadly he only paid 75%, so that's too low for us. Really? You just lose there. I do have the same, almost the same win rate in Pocket Option that I have in IQ Sense. Do you know what? I will continue this stream. I will not turn it off and on again. Just wait me, I'll come live again and we can continue there. I think that will be a good thing. So just bear with me, I will go live again.